Hi, King. These cats ended up looking a little creepy. I think his face is cute, but this one is just really strange. But I have this book. I need to see exactly what it's called. Oh, it's called Le Petit Livre des Chatons. I bet you guys didn't know that I took French in high school. Yeah, I did. But that's just a little book of cats. I've always had it, but I haven't really used it much for reference. So I decided to use it today because I've been a little bit blocked when it comes to my sketchbook. Just normally when I fall out of the habit, I kind of forget how to draw in it. So I'm just using my art books, and this is the reference photo. So they already kind of do look a little bit creepy in the picture, but I think that's just vintage artwork of cats. But this book is really cute. Você vai olhar pra trás e ver, lembrar de tudo que tem pedido. Preciso ter pouco pra saber quando é demais. I have the goods. I had to get more batteries for my cameras because I don't have an extra battery for my Sony camera or a battery charger. I just use like a laptop charger and hook it up. So now I have an extra battery, which is awesome because the battery for that camera tends to run out pretty fast. And I got another battery and a charger for GoPro batteries. So there goes almost $200 in just extra batteries and stuff, but it's very necessary and very helpful when it comes to filming. You can sit over here with your I'll wait for you. Oh, okay. Sit over here and get away. Sit down. Sorry, sit down.
I've been making double because I'm now going full time. It's really sad. Because if I took shift leave, my shifts would be constant.
Hello. Welcome to another day. And I have a pretty exciting project to do in this vlog with you guys, and that is customizing this La Sardina camera. So this is a lomography analog camera, yes. And I'm not taking any money from this. I'm literally not having like any financial gain, but they offered to send me a camera that I could customize and give it away to you guys. So that's really exciting. I don't know, I think this is gonna be like a really big passion project for me because this is like right up my alley. My partner is a hobby photographer. We have like a ton of cameras all over our apartment. So I don't know, this is just like very close to my heart. And today I am finally going to start actually customizing it. I have put a lot of work into the prep, but today is the day to start it. And I decided on doing digital and printing it out, and also like physical on there. I'm gonna paint some stuff on there. So I think today I'm gonna start with the paint, and then tomorrow I will finish it off with the digital stuff. But yeah, this is very exciting for me, and I can't wait to show you guys the process. So apparently all of the Patreon rewards for this month came in all within a span of an hour. So I wanted to show you guys. The sticker is definitely my favorite. So cute. And unfortunately, the sticker sheet is like very low quality. It's super fuzzy. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I'm gonna have to talk to support about getting these remade, and I hope they do let me get them remade because they are like unusable. So that sucks. Ta-da! They're so cute. They're a little kitty making some stew. Got some spirits going around. Yes, very, very cute. And these are all gonna be sent out the first week of October, which is how I normally do my rewards. So that's why these guys are Halloween themed. So before I continue showing you guys the process of making the camera, I wanted to talk about how exactly I prepared to design it, and that is through Milanote, which is also today's sponsor. If you don't know what Milanote is, it's a digital tool that can help you organize or prepare for any project. Now this project, the camera, I had to split it up into several categories in order to keep myself a little bit more organized. As far as the project, I had two main ideas. I had a more yeehaw theme idea, which is what I call it, but it's like a Mexican inspired cowboy theme. And then I also had like my sardine pun idea, which because the camera is La Sardina, I just thought about doing like a very literal design with sardines. So I had two separate mood boards for those two ideas, and as I was making them, I kind of felt like the yeehaw idea was a lot more personal to me and just seemed to flow a little bit better for me. So I got all my inspo pictures. I have some reference pictures in there because I'm doing some flowers for the design. I gathered some pictures from several artists that I really enjoyed their style, and whenever I take inspiration from other artists, I like to make a list breaking down exactly what I like about their artwork. So I did that as well. Something else that is very good about Milanote, at least for me, is all of the very easily customizable templates that they offer. For me, a lot of times digital planning tools like this can be a little bit difficult because I think starting off it can be a little bit intimidating, but having those templates and being able to very quickly put something together is extremely helpful. And if you happen to need to share your work with others, you can definitely do that. You can share your board with clients or other collaborators that are working on your project as well, and they can leave feedback and work with you in real time. So if you're interested in organizing your ideas with Milanote, you can sign up in the link down below completely for free. Now let's get back into the video.
깜찍한 내 봄날을 꺼내어 춥기만 한 이 계절을 물들여 덜컥 너의 기억이 쏟아져 내리면 속절없이 시간은 또 돌아가 꿈에서 보았던 라일락 꽃잎이.
So as you guys are watching me do the finishing touches and assemble everything together, I wanted to talk a little bit more about my decisions with the camera. And when I started painting it, I kind of realized just how small it is in my hands. Whenever I was doing the sketches, the initial sketches on my iPad, you can see that they were pretty colorful, and I think it's very easy to forget what something looks like in real life. So when I was imagining it in my head, I was seeing it a lot more colorful with a lot more detail, but as I was doing it and adding stuff in, I realized that that probably wasn't going to look very good, so I decided to go for a purely black and white sketchy look for the front and back panels, and I ended up liking it a lot more. I feel like it allows the colors that I painted on to pop a lot more, and I think it keeps it very design forward, if that makes sense. Oh my god, you guys. She's done. She's done. She's done. I can't believe how long this took me. I thought I was going to be able to finish this in like a day, but it took me several days. And even then, there's like slight flaws on it. I didn't think that taking this apart would be so difficult for me, but it was. But I did it and I put it back together and she's done. And I think it turned out really, really cute. So, giveaway time, now that she's finished. The giveaway is going to be posted today, the day that the video goes out, September 15th. And the giveaway is going to be on my Instagram, so you can get all the details for that on there. And yeah, I can't wait for one of you guys to get this bad boy. It's obviously a very nice camera. You can use it to take pictures, but also like it's going to be nice just to have on a little shelf like we do. Have all of our cameras mainly on shelves. But yeah, I'm so glad to have finished this. And I need a break from this room, from this desk. So I'm gonna go do something that doesn't have to do with this room, and then come back and finish a few of my tasks for the day. Hello. Man, I can't hold this camera and talk to you guys because the lens is too zoomed in. Is this better? I have to sit like this. I just wanted to give you guys a different view because I'm sick of my desk too. But I wanted to give you a proper outro. Thank you for watching this video. It was a little bit of a short one, but I just wanted to show you guys like the camera design process and just a little bit of chill content for you. I do have a very exciting video coming next week. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next week.